Hello YouTube land! Thank you for tuning in today to One Pinoy Chit Chats. It's a noisy and overcasty afternoon here in the farm. There's chainsaw operations in the area where I lost my nanny goat. And I'm here with my babies because there's no backhoe operation today. They tried to repair their backhoe yesterday and the other day, but they are unlucky. It's still not working until now, which is good for my goats. Yeah, so nobody's here at the moment except my goats, and the grass is not really totally dry, but it's kind of not super wet because the rain stopped at around 12 o'clock and I think it's 2 o'clock now, so some water just out early with William in the city to get a police clearance to renew a license. Yeah, but I was shocked because like for a few times that I went to that office, government office, that was okay then. During pandemic, before pandemic, yeah, it's like in the morning when you are there between 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, there would only be like 2 to 3 in the line. But today, when I got there, 112 already is the last number of the queue. It's like 112, it's just 10 o'clock. I mean, before 10 o'clock that was. And only 100 will be catered. So I asked, so why 112 if it's only one? Because some just go, like they cannot wait and they just go. So like they just give some allowance, but only 100. So like if you dare to go on dare to get 120 just for a chance, it's like getting into the plane by chance. So there are boys here getting some pomelo fruits and just eat in the side. How good is that? For my own tree, I got 2 yesterday, but it's not the perfect ripe, so I'll have to wait for a few days. It's already in our table. I'll just wait for it to mature a little more before I eat it, so that it will be perfectly sweet. So look at this weather, guys. It's like every day, every time I heard, it's like this. Overcasty, misty. Last year, I already failed in my crops. My cucumber died off, my pumpkin died off, and my corn grow late, but still it got damaged by the rain also, so it did not really reach the point of fruiting stage. And yeah, there's no way I can plant here because of this weather, and like the water from here just goes down from my area. Even if I have my own machinery to till the soil, the thing is it's still gonna get washed off from the rains and from the like the slope of the land. So this year, I don't know, like last year, I think it's the same. It's gonna be a rainy year again. March 16, our government issued a statement that it's officially, or not officially, how you call, it's summer is just kicking. March 16, that was announced. But since March 16, I only got 3 to 4 days of full sun during the day. 4 to 6 maybe. Yeah, this is just April 5 today, Han. April 5 today, yeah? There's the handsome William. Yeah, so I don't know. Will there still be summer, or like a lot of people say there's no summer in the Philippines? Yeah, we have rainy season and dry season. But nowadays you can't really tell when is going to be like straight dry season, straight rainy season. There's no such thing as that anymore. That's why the fruiting season also of our trees here is not the same as before. Well, when I was in college and doing some thesis, some analysis, I went to, like, I had some data from the Bureau of Plant Industry, and they're saying there's no such thing as fruiting season because plants adapt, or trees adapt to its natural environment, and if they have, like, you know, like, just if they are in a location where where the temperature is between, or temperature is in a range of from blah blah to blah blah, there's no such thing as fruiting season. So here in Davao, there's area like that, and that is in the Midlands and Highlands. But in the lowlands, you can never expect that. Last month, March, our durians again are starting to fruit, and like near the culvert going to the gate, all of the flowers, little buds fell down, so nothing is left, no more buds. Here there's so much trees, durian trees fruiting, but I haven't checked if with all those rains it's still there. What usually happens, if it's too hot, the buds fall off, or the flowers fall off, and if it's too rainy, same thing, everything just falls off, even the leaves. So we don't know. Finally, it's total silence here, and I'm with my handsome Sam Doggo. Say hi everyone, Sam. Hi everyone. Look at them. Sam. Just a wink is fine. Right. So my goats are there. I just released them from their pigs. And I want to share one thing. Like last December, I have a video showing our neighbor's goats with Samson. Like the goats were here for 2 nights, 3 days, and the owner is actually the family of our goddaughter Nicole. So that's fine with us, you know. Like their goats getting mated by Samson for free of cost and full accommodation, 1 room and free meals, free herding and everything. So, well, there was a day when Nicole herd with me here in that area. Yeah, so the news of Nicole's mom was, like, it was 2 weeks ago, I think she said. February, they did not from among these 3 goats, I mean the mother and 2 kids, from among these 3, one is, they think is not pregnant. But last week, or like 2 weeks ago, yeah, 2 weeks, the accident or the incident happened 2 weeks ago, but last week she told me the other goat whom they thought the other goat that they thought is not pregnant was actually pregnant, and they only knew that because she fell in the drain. Their house is shown, I have a video also showing where they live, and like down their floor, because they just squat an area to live. Down their floor is a big drain, and the goat fell down on that drain and had a miscarriage there from getting stress. So like right now, only 2 are pregnant, the mother and one of the kids of one of the twins is left pregnant. So it's better than nothing. So Samson will have babies with the neighbor. With Nicole. Hi babies! These are my babies, guys. Hello! You happy? Big bellies now? Oh, big bellies! Say hi everybody! Hi, you miss your mama? Miss your mama and milk? Mommy will give you later. Go back. Go back. Shh. Romeo. Naughty boy. They're the only twins I'm not feeding at the moment with Batu, because Lottie is a great feeder. She really takes time, and she still looks very good, like so healthy. It's 4:35 and starting to rain here, guys. I should say bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye, goats.